From Actionable Ops, here's how Hermes skips 10 tool calls and does the whole job in one Python block. Code execution. The Execute Code tool lets Hermes write a Python script that calls its own tools with a simple from Hermes tools import. Instead of 10 back-and-forth tool calls, it writes one script that loops, filters, and branches, then runs the whole thing in a single turn. Here's the real magic. Only the script's printed output comes back to the model. All the intermediate stuff, the raw search hits, the file contents, the messy middle, never touches the context window. On a big job, that's an enormous token saving. The classic example is search, then extract, then summarize. The script runs a web search for 5 results, loops over them, extracts each page, keeps the good excerpts, and prints one clean summary. 10 separate tool calls collapse into a single block. Inside a script, you get the workhorse tools: web search, web extract, read file, write file, search files, patch, and terminal in the foreground. Each call travels over a socket back to Hermes, so it behaves exactly like a normal tool call, same limits, same results. Don't confuse it with the plain terminal tool. Reach for code execution when you're calling Hermes tools with logic in between. Reach for terminal to run a shell command, a build, or a test suite. And you don't choose. The agent picks the right one for the job. It's sandboxed by default. A 5-minute timeout, a 50 tool call cap, and a stripped environment, so your secrets never leak. Only 4 Hermes vars pass through now. Opt others back in with terminal.env pass-through, or a skills required environment variables, and it's Linux and Mac only. On Windows, Hermes falls back to normal tool calls. That's code execution in Hermes, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.